Hey Raj! Today's lesson is a bit different.
Oh, what's the topic?
30 action verbs everyone should know. Lesson 15.
30? That's a lot. Are we just going to list them one by one? That sounds boring.
No. We're going to use them in real sentences, like a normal conversation. You'll see, it'll be fun.
Okay, let's try. Where do we start?
Let's start with the ones we use every single day, like run. For example, I run every morning for exercise.
I don't run, I walk. I walk to the office because it's close to my house.
See, that's two already. Run and walk. Okay, what about kids? What do they love doing?
They love to jump. My little cousin jumps on the bed every evening.
So true. Okay, moving to daily basics. We all eat and drink, right?
Obviously, I eat breakfast at 8 and drink coffee right after.
And at night, we sleep. I sleep for 7 hours usually.
Only 7? I sleep for 9 easily.
Of course you do, Raj. Okay, that's six verbs already: run, walk, jump, eat, drink, sleep.
This is actually going fast. Okay, what about housework? Like, what do you do at home?
I cook dinner sometimes. I cook pasta on Sundays. And after eating, someone has to clean the kitchen.
That someone is definitely not me.
Raj! Okay, moving to work and study. At the office, we write emails and read reports all day.
I write at least 10 emails a day, and I read even more.
And in the evening, to relax, we watch something, right? Like a movie or a show.
Yes, I watch cricket highlights every night. And sometimes I just listen to music while doing nothing.
That's 10 now. Cook, clean, write, read, watch, listen, plus the earlier six. Okay, let's continue with communication verbs. We speak and talk all day, right?
Wait, what's the difference between speak and talk?
Good question. Speak is usually more formal, like, I speak English at work. Talk is more casual, like, we talked for 2 hours yesterday.
Ah, got it. Okay, what's next?
Work and study, obviously. I work from 9 to 6, and on weekends, I study for my exams.
And after all that work and study, we need to relax and play something. I play cricket with my friends every Sunday.
That's 15 now. Halfway done. Run, walk, jump, eat, drink, sleep, cook, clean, write, read, watch, listen, speak, work, study, play. Wait, that's 16 actually.
You're bad at counting, Anjali.
Okay, fine. Let's not count and just keep going. What about travel verbs? How do you get around the city?
I drive my car to work. I drive for about 30 minutes every day.
I don't drive actually. I usually take a cab. But on weekends, I love to swim. I swim at the club every Saturday.
Nice. I can't swim at all, honestly.
Really? We should fix that sometime. Okay, what about fun activities? Do you dance or sing?
I definitely don't dance, but I love to sing in the shower. I sing old Bollywood songs every morning.
That's adorable, Raj. I actually paint in my free time. I paint landscapes on weekends. It's very relaxing.
That's a nice hobby. Okay, What about bigger actions like construction or repair work?
Good one. We say build and fix. Workers are building a new bridge near my house. And I need to fix my laptop. It's been slow lately.
Speaking of things that stop working, sometimes things just break, right? My phone screen broke last week. It was so sad.
Oh no, that's rough. Okay, let's continue. Build, fix, break. Now, simple daily actions. What do you do when you enter a room?
I open the door, obviously. I open the door and turn on the lights. And when I leave, I close it behind me.
Simple but important verbs. Okay, shopping verbs now. Since we already made a whole lesson on this, we buy and sell things, right?
Yes, I bought a new bag last week. And my neighbor is trying to sell his old car.
Nice connection to our shopping lesson. Okay, last few now. Sports and action verbs. If someone throws a ball at you, what do you do?
I catch it. I caught the ball perfectly during our cricket match. And if I want to pass it, I throw it to someone else.
Perfect. Okay, two more physical action verbs. Push and pull. Please push the door, don't pull it.
Oh, I always get confused with push and pull doors at malls, honestly.
Me too, always. Okay, if you're carrying heavy bags, what do you do?
I carry them obviously, even if my hands hurt. I carried 3 heavy bags up the stairs yesterday.
Strong man. Okay, and before eating, what should we always do?
Wash our hands. I always wash my hands before eating.
Good habit. Okay, in the kitchen, if you're preparing vegetables, what do you do?
I cut them. I cut the vegetables before cooking. Well, actually, my mother does that, not me.
Classic Raj. Okay, two more. If you're going up a mountain or a tree, what do you do?
You climb it. We climbed the small hill near our village last year.
And finally, the last one. If you're traveling by plane, the plane doesn't drive, it doesn't run, it.
It flies. We flew to Goa last summer. It was amazing.
Perfect. That's actually 30 verbs now, Raj. Run, walk, jump, eat, drink, sleep, cook, clean, write, read, watch, listen, speak, talk, work, study, play, drive, swim, dance, sing, paint, build, fix, break, open, close, buy, sell, catch, throw, push, pull, carry, wash, cut, climb, and fly.
Wait, that's way more than 30. You keep adding extra ones.
Okay, bonus verbs for you all then. More value, no complaints.
Honestly, though, this was actually fun. I didn't even realize we were learning 30 verbs. It just felt like a normal conversation.
That's exactly the point. You don't need to memorize a list. Just use these verbs in your own sentences about your own day.
True. Like today, I woke up, I ate breakfast, I worked, I talked to Anjali, and now I'm sitting here recording this video.
Perfect example. See, friends, that's how easy it is once you start using action verbs naturally.
Try making just 5 sentences today using any of these verbs and comment them below.
We'll check the comments and reply to a few of you.
If this lesson helped you, hit like and subscribe because we have many more useful lessons coming.
See you all in the next lesson.
Bye everyone. I'm going to go sleep now since we did talk about that verb earlier.
Of course you are, Raj. Bye, everyone.